To comment on Sandeep as the choreographer, Sandeep as an individual.
Sandeep is a beautiful human being. I have met him a few months back, and we totally hit it off at the first go. I really love him as a human being. He's a brilliant performer. Everyone knows about his choreography. Everyone knows about him being a choreographer and his dance styles. He's beautiful inside and out.
You know, all the popular dance numbers, all the item songs become so famous.
Yeah.
And all the silent songs are not so popular as.
आप क्या बोल रहे हो यार? आशिकी 2 में और
Still, I mean,
there's so many slow songs that you want to cry also, and they become so famous.
How did you cry it? People cannot enjoy that song as well.
Arey, what you saying? At parties and all that, they remix it and they enjoy it, na? But yeah, item songs are very famous because obviously they are the tadka of the film. Without an item song, movie is adhura these days. So, and of course, add an item song, and with an item song, and to an item song, you can dance.
You know, one explosive, Sunny Leone is catching the eyeball. And
Yeah.
So what is the comment on it? Is she superior than other Bollywood actresses as well?
I wouldn't say that she's superior because obviously we have a lot of other actresses who have been in the industry for so many years now. But of course, she's a beautiful girl and she's done very well for herself. So kudos to her.
No, the question was talking about the dancing skills, baby doll, or, you know, right now they see.
I think even Sunny knows that she is not a very good dancer, but it's not about the dance. It's about how much preparation she's done for it and how she's performed with so much confidence in front of the camera. It really takes a lot of energy and stress to be in front of the camera performing the way she did.
And dancing is an inherited talent, or you know, you can learn it by time and.
I would say, like for me, if you ask me this question, I have always been a dancer. Since I was a child, I always wanted to dance. I always wanted to be on stage. I always wanted to perform. So for me, it's been, you know, it's been something that I have never had to learn, but it was always in there. But yes, dancing is something that you really need to polish. कोई भी उठ के मतलब ऐसे खड़ा नहीं हो जा सकता, मतलब you have to learn it the proper way. जैसे हम स्कूल जाते हैं and you know you educate yourself, that's how you go to a dance school and learn dancing.
And lastly, what your future project?
Phoenix Market City is supporting this cause. So
Yes.
What do you want to say about the Phoenix Market?
Well, we are at Phoenix Market City supporting this Dance India Week, and you know we are really excited to be here. And they're supporting dance, and what more we could ask for? Dance all the way.
And talking about your future projects, currently.
I'm working on Kya Cool Hai Hum Part 3, and also I'm doing a Marathi film with Om Puri ji and Manoj Joshi ji. So I'm very excited about it because Kya Cool Hai Hum is a comedy film, as everyone knows. It's an adult comedy. But the Marathi film that I'm doing is political based. So you'll definitely see me in a different avatar altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you.